We are New Movements. In August 2018, we launched our first Kickstarter project with a mission to create authentic, affordable and socially responsible Scandinavian design sneakers. Thanks to all the encouraging feedback from our community and the media, we now have proud wearers of New Movement sneakers in more than 40 countries. Now, a year later, our team has doubled in size, and together with designer and founder Martin Evenson, we are thrilled to launch a brand new collection with our second Kickstarter project. We are excited to reveal our O2 Postpone collection. Humanity is at a point now where anything we postpone today leaves us with a bigger problem tomorrow, and we wanted to create a collection that manifests that realization. With Orpner, we wanted to try and create a sneaker that encapsulates the values and sensibilities of the urban Scandinavian mind. The classic silhouette celebrates the clean lines that has made Scandinavian design a world phenomenon. The generous but subtle recycled rubber sole is an expression of how cities like Oslo are paving the way for cleaner, more circular urban lifestyle. With Hook, we looked at the impact our industry has on the world and asked ourselves, how can we take a clear stand for a more sustainable future with this sneaker? We came up with a classic, contemporary, yet totally uncompromising design. The clean lines and stripped monochromatic design allows for the unique outer sole to take center stage. With fine pieces of raw, recycled rubber visible in the outsole, the Hook model is a subtle but clear expression of the change we want to see in the world. Like Orpner, the Hook model is made in Portugal with gold-certified European leather and laces made out of recycled plastic bottles. The entire collection is designed for both men and women, and models are available in sizes 36 to 47.
We are so excited to invite the Kickstarter community to join us on our new journey and the introduction of the new collection, O2 Postpone.
Oslo is the current European green capital. We want to share the positive vibes and the sense of real positive change that runs through our city. And that's why we started the cleanup program.
For every pair you purchase, we empower you to clean up ocean plastic across the globe. Every pair supports an ocean cleanup equal to 200 plastic bottles. By backing this project now, you can get up to 60% off and a special first mover Kickstarter lace kit for free.
Claim your discount and free lace kit now by clicking the button to back this project.
Take a stand by joining the New Movement family.